Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and double platform. You know how we do it over here. Talk about how to make money. Yeah, so today I have a good news and a bad news for you. So you have to pay critical attention to it. Yeah. So right now, when you go to the exchange button, right now, one NT is equal to 2 USDT. So it means that the NT have what gain multiple value. You see that thing? Gain multiple value. Yeah. And I withdraw money and the people were saying that no, you have to do live, you have to do blah blah blah. So after this video, my next video, I will do a live and I will drop money. I will draw some of my money because right now NT have gained value. So I will draw some of my money for you to see here. Yeah. So if you're not in DeFi trade, please be in DeFi trade. But let me advise you, if you don't have released coins to be in a DeFi trade, please don't deposit. Don't deposit. You said that and don't deposit. But let's assume you are in it and you are fought. You have some release coins. You cannot deposit money inside because for you to withdraw your money, it's a long step, and I've done videos about it and people say I have to do a live video, so I'll do a live video for them to see. So right now I have not released and released, so the release coins, if I don't join the DeFi trade, I may lose the release coins. So it's better for me to what, convert some to be in a DeFi trade. That one is different from you that you have downloaded the app right now and you want to deposit money to be in a DeFi trade. I will not advise you that way. I will not advise you that way to be in a DeFi trade. No, but let's assume that you have coins over there that release coins and you want to convert some to be in a DeFi trade. That one is necessary. You see that thing? Yeah. And let me remind you again. I said after this video, my next video will be a live withdrawing. I will draw live for you to see. Yeah, I will draw live for you to see. Yeah. So right now the NT gain value, and people were saying that the NT dropped to 0.07. That one I didn't see it, but right now 180 is what, 2 USDT. So it means that the money I have right now, the release quest I have right now, if I convert it, it will be around 500 USDT. You see that thing? It will be around 500 USDT. So that one is best. You can also withdraw it. If you want to withdraw, you can also withdraw it. And I will draw some for you to see. Yeah, so right now, I'll participate in the DeFi trade. That one, you click on the, therefore you enter any amount you want to participate in. That one is for only the release coins, if you have release coins. But if you want to deposit right now, that one I will not advise you to do that. I will not advise you to do that. But if you're OG in this business, if you're already in this business, that one you can do it and do it. So let me go to me and show you something. I said before you can withdraw your money, you have to what? You have to rebound. And yesterday I did a video about rebound and people were saying that blah 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 blah. So I want to do like a live withdrawing for you to see, to like after this video, just today after this video I want to do it. Yeah, so I said first of all you have to rebound it and copy your private key and all, install that app and install it again and what, bound everything again. Yeah, bound everything again. But the main reason why I said don't do it is that right now the NT value is what, it have increased, and in this case they will open the portal for the OGs to withdraw the money fast, but the new ones, you will not get enough money, you will not get enough profit. So they said that 10th September they will open it. They open it for a bulk withdrawing. So right now you can only withdraw through your TRX, but the USDT, they say they will open it, I think 10th. Some people, I've heard in the news that some people are saying that they have increased this thing to what, to attract more investors. That's why I said that if you don't have any release coins, don't join the DeFi trade. But if you have it, you can join it right now. I have, let's say, 299.77. So I have, let's say, 592 USDT if I convert it and withdraw it. Yeah, so that thing. Yeah, that one is the money I have currently in my account. So if I want to join a DeFi trade, I can use this money sum to join. But as a new G, I will not advise you to do that. I will not advise you to do that. That one I will not advise you. Yeah, and I've already told that right now you can't withdraw through USDT. The only place that you can withdraw your money through is what is through the TRC, the TRX. That's the Sean. So if I convert 299 to Sean, I have 4,457. You see, yeah. So after this video, I'll convert some of the money into chunks and withdraw it for you to say that what I showed you, that you have to do the rebounding and everything is not fake. Yeah, it's not fake. Yeah. So when you convert your this thing, then you draw your money. I will do everything after this video, but I just want to tell you that if you haven't participated in the DeFi trade and you have release coins, please do it. Just do it. And if you are new to this platform, don't deposit any money to participate in DeFi trade. Just wait for the 10th September. Right now, just today, it have increased to 2.0 per 1 NT. So I am suggesting that maybe if they open the USDT button, it will be for only the OGs. If you're new, you will not benefit. So if you have the released one, that one you can participate in the DeFi so that you will not lose any of your coins. And the coins that they say that you'll be losing is not released coins. You see, the not released coins is small, so they will release the not released coins to the released coins. So if you don't want to lose not released coins, please, if you haven't participated in the DeFi trade, do justice to it. Yeah, and I still want to remind you that after this video, I will do a live trade. So you just have to be here. Just have to be here 3 hours later for the live trade, for the live withdrawing. I will draw live for you to say that I've withdraw the money. You see what I think? Yeah, because right now, 1 NT is 2 USDT, and I think it's very cool for you to withdraw everything, but I'm still expecting more, because just this short time to have me to 2 USDT. So probably for you to get to 5 USDT is possible. So I will not release all my coins. I will release some of it to show you that what I was saying that is true, that you can withdraw some of the money and everything by doing the rebounding and copy your private key and uninstalling the app and install it again. Yeah, I will do everything for you to see feeling. Yeah, so I think this is cool for today. Yeah, this is cool for today. And please make sure you subscribe for more videos, and we are hoping that the NT will go up and we see the NT future, because the Neptune Network have been there for, let's say, a year. Yeah, a year now. Yeah, and people have been making money out of it, a lot of money out of it. So let's hope for the best, and please don't give up right now. Don't give up right now. Don't give up right now. That's why I've shown you a way of withdrawing, but you just want to see me withdrawing freely, I will do it. Thank you, and I'm out.